Hi friends, welcome back to Desk. Daily use English sentences, English speaking practice. Let's start. तुम बहुत धीरे बोलते हो. You speak too slow. You speak too slow. मैं फिर कभी जाऊंगा. I will go some other time. I will go some other time. तुम इस तरीके को समझो. You understand this way. You understand this way. तुम सब बैठ जाओ. You all sit down. You all sit down. आपको देखना होगा. You have to see. You have to see. कितना समय हो रहा है? What is the time now? What is the time now? एक दूसरे से बातें करो. Talk to each other. Talk to each other. बाद में मिलना. Meet later. Meet later. ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा. More than necessary. More than necessary. उन्हें मेरी बात माननी पड़ेगी. They have to listen to me. They have to listen to me. उन्होंने आपके लिए क्या किया? What did they do for you? What did they do for you? खराब आदतें छोड़ दो. Give up bad habits. Give up bad habits. मैं किसका विश्वास करूं? Whom can I trust? Whom can I trust? यह मेरा कसूर नहीं था. It was not my fault. It was not my fault. वह गधा है. He is a duffer. He is a duffer. मुझे उससे चिढ़ आती है. He irritates me. He irritates me. किसका दोष है? Who is to blame? Who is to blame? यहाँ से चले जाओ. Go away from here. Go away from here. मैं अपने काम में अच्छा हूँ. I am good at my work. I am good at my work. ठीक से बैठिए. Sit properly. Sit properly. जल्दी वापस जाओ. Go back soon. Go back soon. आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? तुम्हारी आवाज़ कट रही है. Your voice is breaking up. Your voice is breaking up. तुम आज बहुत खुश लग रहे हो. You are looking very happy today. You are looking very happy today. मुझे तुम पर विश्वास नहीं है. I do not trust on you. I do not trust on you. दूसरों को परेशान मत करो. Don't disturb others. Don't disturb others. दिमाग से काम लो. Use your brain. Use your brain. बिल्कुल वैसे ही. Exactly the same. Exactly the same. कोशिश करते रहो. Keep trying. Keep trying. मुद्दे पर आओ. Come to the point. Come to the point. देर मत करो. Don't be late. Don't be late. मुझे याद नहीं है. I don't remember. I don't remember. इसका पता लगाओ. Find out it. Find out it. एक बार और. Once more. Once more. कोई बात नहीं. Never mind. Never mind. पागल मत बनो. Do not be silly. Do not be silly. मुझे ऐसी उम्मीद है. I hope so. I hope so. तुम इतना परेशान क्यों हो? Why are you so upset? Why are you so upset? तुम्हारे जैसा. Just like you. Just like you. मुझे जवाब चाहिए. I need answer. I need answer. मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. I agree with you. I agree with you. आपको कैसा लगता है? How do you feel? How do you feel? वह अंग्रेजी में अच्छी है। शी इज़ गुड इन इंग्लिश। शी इज़ गुड इन इंग्लिश। तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? वाई डिड यू डू दैट? वाई डिड यू डू दैट? सब ठीक है। एवरीथिंग इज़ फाइन। एवरीथिंग इज़ फाइन। आज का समाचार। टुडे इज़ न्यूज़। टुडे इज़ न्यूज़। अच्छे से बात करो। टॉक नाइसली। टॉक नाइसली। आपको क्या लगता है? What do you think? What do you think? मैं खाऊंगा। I will eat. I will eat. मैं देखूंगा। I will see. I will see. मुझे तुम्हारे पास आना है। I want to come to you. I want to come to you. आप कौन सी क्लास में हो? Which class are you in? Which class are you in? क्या यह भारी है? Is it heavy? Is it heavy? तुम क्यों नहीं बोलते? Why don't you speak? Why do not you speak? आज का दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? आप अपना बताएं। You tell yours. You tell yours. वह कब आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? किसी को गाली मत दो। Don't abuse anyone. Don't abuse anyone. जल्दी बोलो। Speak fast. Speak fast. उठकर बैठो। Sit up. Sit up. कैसा लगा? How was it? How was it? अपने हाथ फैलाओ। Stretch your hands. Stretch your hands. तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए। You must know. You must know. यह पढ़ने का समय है। It's time to study. It's time to study. वो सो रही थी। She was sleeping. She was sleeping. मेरे हाथ छोड़ो। Leave my hand. Leave my hand. इसका स्वाद कैसा है? How does it taste? How does it taste? क्या आप इसे ठीक कर सकते हैं? Can you fix it? Can you fix it? आपकी विशेषता क्या है? What is your quality? What is your quality? वह एक अच्छा विचार है। That is a good idea. That is a good idea. क्या आपके पास कोई सवाल है? Do you have any question? Do you have any question? भविष्य में सावधान रहो। Be careful in future. Be careful in future. हमेशा बड़ों की इज्जत करो। Always respect the elders. Always respect the elders. आपका पसंदीदा खेल क्या है? What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport? उसका कोई भरोसा नहीं। He is not reliable. He is not reliable. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? तुम कुछ नहीं जानते। You don't know anything. You don't know anything. मुझे घर छोड़ दो। Drop me home. Drop me home. तुम जल्दी सो जाओ। You go to sleep early. You go to sleep early. मुझे इसकी ज़रूरत है। I need it. I need it. हद से ज़्यादा बात मत करो। Don't talk over limit. Don't talk over limit. मुझे टीवी देखना पसंद है। I like watching TV. I like watching TV. इसे अपने पास रखो। Keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself.